Wishing our own football team FC Goa all the very best for the semis. See you in the finals. You are the champions. Best wishes from Xavier's Beach Cafe, Food Palace, proprietor Francis Fernandez and Lydia Fernandez, below Seaview Cottage, Sauntavado, Kalangut, Goa.
Hello and welcome to FC Goa TV. You're watching Prudent, and this is the pre-match build-up coming to you just across the road near the Fatorda Stadium at Fatorda Madgaon. We are looking ahead to the match between FC Goa and Mumbai City FC in the second leg of the playoff of ISL 5. In the first leg, FC Goa had beaten Mumbai City FC 5-1 in Mumbai on 9th of March. And today is the return leg. FC Goa almost are into the finals, but in football you can never assume a certain result until there is no mathematical possibility. And that's the scenario right now, because Mumbai City FC have a very small chance of reversing the outcome as claimed by their Portuguese coach Jorge Costa on the pre-match eve. So today FC Goa have to go out there and finish the job, while for Mumbai City FC they have to achieve almost a miracle in footballing terms if they have to do a big job here in Goa and go to the finals. But for Goa, everybody is hoping that FC Goa give a solid performance and cement their place into the finals of ISL 5, where Bengaluru FC lie in waiting. They overcame the resistance of North East United FC last night, and now they are waiting for the finalists, the rivals in the big finals to be played in Mumbai on the 17th March. And for all of us, it's FC Goa until and unless there is a disaster of a magnanimous proportion. But that is almost unlikely, because FC Goa are in really good form. They have peaked really well towards the business end of the season, and they have gone almost entire season undefeated, losing just one game here at the Fortress at Fatorda, and that was way back in November when they lost to the other finalist, Bengaluru FC, 1-2. So FC Goa, of course, are definitely a very big favorites to go and clinch the remaining final spot. The scene is building up here. The fans are coming here, and we are expecting a great electrifying atmosphere inside the stadium. Goa Supporters Club, the Gaur Army, have been an ever-present entity at all the home games, and they are here as well. You can see in the background they are chanting Forza Goa, and of course Carlos Gonzalez is leading the charge with his wonderful drumming. So the mood is set here. It's excitement building for the last home game of the season, and of course it's almost a formality that FC Goa are in the finals, but they have to complete the job as yet after that 5-1 victory in Mumbai. So spirits are really high, and we are hoping that FC Goa today go on to cement that place in the finals. You can see the Gaur Army here as Xavier Dias focuses on the Gaur Army cheerleading.
हम भी बढ़िया तुम भी बढ़िया, हम भी बढ़िया तुम भी बढ़िया, हम भी बढ़िया तुम भी बढ़िया, vamos vamos, vamos all of you are behind the white line. बच्चे लोग को साथ पीछे तो दर में थोड़े स्माइल कर रहे हैं।
Wishing our own football team FC Goa all the very best for the semis. See you in the finals. You are the champions. Best wishes from Xavier's Beach Cafe, Food Palace, proprietor Francis Fernandez and Lydia Fernandez, below Seaview Cottage, South Avaro, Kalangut, Goa.
With us, fans of Mumbai City FC who have travelled for the return leg. Mumbai City down 1-5. Do you believe in your team?
Yes, we truly believe in our team. Hence, we have travelled all the way. And since you always know football isn't over till the last whistle, we'll give it our best from our end, from the players' end, and hopefully we get a result that we well deserve.
What do you think went wrong for your team the other night?
I think we were pretty good at attacking and the midfield play, but then we might have lacked in the defensive part of it, because what I noticed is whenever we attacked, FC Goa went into a frenzy and started defending very desperately. That's what I'd say. So it was not a game where we performed poorly, but then it was just that Goa performed way better than what we did. But then we have a hope that it doesn't end until it's over, so we'll keep hoping, and then that's why we are here, hoping that we have a final turnaround and we go through the finals.
Coach Jorge Costa, after that game at the post-match, said he doesn't believe that the team has potential to reverse the outcome. But yesterday in the pre-match here, he still believes that there is a small chance. So how do you read that change of stance from your coach?
So, you know, he has European experience. He's seen all the miracles that have happened. And in the past few years, in football, you have seen that the greatest of comebacks have happened. Be it Barcelona, be it Manchester United, you know we can do it. And we have the belief. We won against Kerala 6-1, so you know 6 goals is surely that we can score. And we have Sugu score. He scores in bulks and in tons. So you know he has the potential to make it count.
I add to that. Basically, what he said was the way the team performed in the first leg was something that a finals deserving team shouldn't perform like. But then he also said that we have nothing to lose. We can go all out in attack. We might concede goals, but that doesn't add to the inflict that we have had. So I guess it's all an attacking game. The more we attack, the more goals we score, and maybe we are in the finals. Who knows?
Right, good luck. Hope you have a good time in Goa.
Thank you.
So we are now very close to the arrival of the team, and we are here at just outside the main gate of the Nehru Stadium. The teams are on their way and they'll reach here any moment. The youngest fan of FC Goa probably here, and the Gaur Army, all the members of the supporters club Gaur Army here as well, waiting for the team bus to arrive. Let us hear from them what's going through their mind before this return leg.
We are super excited for this big game. This is the last game of the season wherein the match will be played at Fatota, and we have full trust on Lobera, his coach. He's been fantastic throughout. Strategies amazing. I mean, what else we want? We are almost through the finals, just that we need to score. And today I think it's going to be a clean sheet, and I'm expecting a 4-0 win for Goa. It's going to be loud, and it's going to be, the world's going to see that we are the best football team in the land. Yes, we are!
So FC Goa bus has just arrived and it's going to make its way inside the stadium now.
Forza Goa! Forza! Forza! Forza Goa!
FC Goa have never won the ISL trophy in the history of ISL of last 5 years. But this year we seem pretty close because the team is really performing well. And ह्या फॅनान हांगा एक प्रोटोटाइप ट्रॉफी करून हाडल्या. तुका कितें दिसता ह्या वर्सा जिखतले FC Goa?
हय डेफिनेटली जिखतले ह्या वर्सा कित्याक आमी वेरी क्लोज येयल्ले आहा खूब पावट क्लोज जाल्ले आहा पण हे पावट डेफिनेटली जिखतले.
ही ट्रॉफी तुवें आज करून हाडल्या आज तुका गॅरंटी FC Goa फायनली ऑफकोर्स 5-1 जिखले आनी ऑलमोस्ट थ्रू आज कितें रिजल्ट दिसता तुका?
आज 3 तरी मारतले.
3-1. Overall, everyone enjoyed FC Goa's performance.
Yes, definitely. Goa is doing very well this year.
It's doing really well. Hope good luck for the final.
Your favorite player in FC Goa?
Koro.
Koro is obviously favorite, but Mandar and Brandon.
Right. Of course, Koro has been the leading goal scorer for FC Goa, 16 goals, and the Golden Boot winner surely for the second consecutive year. So overall, FC Goa is really at the top of everybody's mind now as the contenders for the ISL title. And we are the kickoff here is approaching fast as FC Goa face Mumbai City FC in the return leg in the ISL 5 semi-finals. FC Goaचे fans one of the best fans in the ISL असे खूप लोक म्हणता कारण they come up with such a lot of energy and color and they make very interesting banners and things like trophies and they come with really a lot of innovative costumes as well. So you can see a group here with nicely made gore and banner there saying FC Goa make them feel proud. They are proud of all that, and you can see vehicles moving around with tableau of FC Goa. So how are you approaching this game? कितें दिसता तुमकां आज कितें जातलें?
आयज उजो जातलो जसो जाता तसो सदांच आनी आयज आमचो कोरो हॅट्रिक करपाचो आसा 5 ऑलरेडी जाल्लेले आसा बॉम्बे सो आयज 6 मारपाची शक्यता आसा.
Forza Goa, we love you.
Forza Goa. Forza together. Forza Goa. Forza Goa. Forza Goa. Forza Goa. Uzo.
Etla magi.
Forza!
आमका जाय जाय आमका जाय जाय कोरोचो गोल आमका जाय जाय आमका जाय जाय कोरोचो गोल आमका जाय फोर्सा गोवा फोर्सा गोवा जिंकतले रे जिंकतले FC गोवा जिंकतले रे जिंकतले FC गोवा जिंकतले
Wishing our own football team FC Goa all the very best for the semis. See you in the finals. You are the champions. Best wishes from Xavier's Beach Cafe, Food Palace, proprietor Francis Fernandez and Lydia Fernandez, below Xavier Cottage, South Avado, Kalangut, Goa.
Forza Goa! Forza Goa! Forza!